Hi students, in this video I will show you how to access all the course materials in eCampus. eCampus is our learning management system. This means that this is going to house all of the links, all of the work that you need to accomplish for this summer semester. So what you want to do is go to ecampus.tamu.edu. This is the front page that you will receive and you can log in. When you log in, you will historically have to go through your identification using your UIN and a password. For me, I have multiple courses listed from previous courses, but you will find this link right here on your dashboard. Because you are taking this class, it should be very easy to see under My Courses. So if you were to click this link, you are now going to end up on our homepage. I want to highlight many of the links that you are going to see here on the left side. So the first one is our welcome message. This is the video that I sent to you a couple of days ago. If you were to click on this, you can see that it is going to take you to a link that is going to be outside in our YouTube. Another thing is our Keep Learning module. Keep Learning is the initiative that we started here at Texas A&M through the Center of Teaching Excellence and the Dean of Faculties when we went to the online course. So if you're having any issues when it comes to the technology associated with your course, you can click on the Keep Learning and it may give you some tips and tricks. Our syllabus is probably the most important thing. This has all of the dates that you are going to need to go forward and all of our grade assignments, when we have certain assessments, and just kind of an overview of the course. So if I were to click here, you will see that the course syllabus shows up. As you know, there is already a video that highlights this syllabus, and I would highly recommend that you go and watch it. The next thing is our lecture Zoom link. For our classes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, if you are always wanting to know where that link is, you can click on that link and it will go and take you to that meeting. So it's very nice, very helpful, and allows you to go straight to that meeting while you are going and on our eCampus course. So another thing that we want to look at real quick is our class slides and videos. This is where we are going to house all of the content that you need for this course. And as you can see, each one of our meeting times has a date. So for online lecture 1, which will be for Wednesday, you can see that there are going to be 4 mini parts of that lecture. For each online lecture, I will be shooting a video, so you can expect the videos for parts 1 through 4 going to be put up probably on Tuesday. So when you are starting to prepare for a lecture, you want to click on that link, look at the material that you see here, and we'll go ahead and click on one, and you can see here that I am able to open up one of the PowerPoints that you're going to see. But it's very important that we go and have that information. So we can go and click on this. It will open up the PowerPoint, and I want you to be familiar with this information. The Reef Polling app is going to take you to iClicker. So if I were to click on this, it will go and take you to the iClicker site, which is very important for us to have. So let's go and do that once again. So as you can see, this is where you're going to sign up and pick the course for your iClicker. Make sure that you identify it and that you search for My Course, which is going to be the summer course. We can work on this a little bit when I meet with you guys on Tuesday. Another thing that we have here is our Trouble Topic video. Trouble Topic videos was an initiative started by a graduate student and myself a few years ago, in which students would tell me what topics they were struggling with. So the nice thing about it is that you can see that we have videos for every chapter in our semester. So if we get to a topic and you say, Dr. Collins, I'm really struggling, you can now see that I have a video for unit cancellation and dimensional analysis. These are extra supplemental videos to help you if you are struggling with certain things. So if we get to a topic and you are concerned about something and you cannot reach me, check this folder to see if it's a topic that I've already covered. Normally these videos are about 8 to 10 minutes in length and are just here to help you. They are not required. but they are there as a supplement in case you are concerned about something. Another initiative that we did a few years ago is our foundational materials videos. If there's a topic that we deem as fundamental that we need to have as we are starting to build and go along, we shot a video of that approximately 2 to 3 years ago. So for those individuals who are struggling with certain things, such as mathematical operators, mathematical operator examples, equation manipulation, you can see that I am actually the one in the video shooting this to help you guys get this information. So the nice part about the foundational material videos is that we have one for pretty much most of the chapters up through chapter 9. This is going to go through ideas of Lewis structures and balancing chemical equations and many of the foundational material that you had in high school. So if you ever get to a point where you're feeling, I should know this, but I forgot it, there's more than likely going to be a foundational material video that we have. Next, we're going to have our demonstration videos and quizzes. So the interesting part about this is normally we do demonstrations in our lecture to show you the real-world application of what we are doing in chemistry. So now what we've done is film them. So here for our first demonstration here with the exploding balloons, I can click on that and you'll see that not only do I have a link to the video, but then there's also going to be a quiz associated with this. When I send you guys the email saying, hey, I want you to watch this demo, I will open up the quiz, and there are normally 2 to 3 questions at the end of the video that you're going to submit your answers into our eCampus system. We will talk about how to do that on Tuesday. But this is a nice way for us to show you the real world examples and show you what the chemistry looks like, but also give you the ability to see how much you pick up from those videos. So finally, if I click here at the MindTap homework, you are going to see that it'll take you to our sign up site. So as you can see here, Dan Collins, Fundamental, this is where you can purchase and register for your access to not only the ebook, but as well as our MindTap homework system. So this will take you to the same site every time. Finally, we'll go to our worksheets. On our worksheets, these are worksheets that I have done individually to show you different examples. So as you can see, they are listed here in order based off of chapter and the topic. So if you need a little bit of practice, especially for a fundamental skill such as conversions and sig figs, atomic symbols and isotopes, this is going to allow you to not only get a few more extra reps, but as you can see here, I have the worksheet that I can pull up that will show you right here. But more importantly, I have also attached the answers in a separate worksheet. So please work on the worksheet and then review the answers after. Do not have them side by side. Another thing that we're going to do on eCampus is our quizzes. Typically what will happen is you will see when quizzes based off of the dates in the syllabus, they will be built and put into this quiz folder. This is where you will take them. Remember, you have all day to do them, but you will get one attempt of 45 minutes. Finally, one of the most important things is going to be our exams. This will be on the exam folder. When we get to our exam days, this is the link that you will click in order to access the exam, and then I will be able to proctor you through Zoom. Other things that I really want to help focus and point out here is at the bottom here, you will see laboratory materials. This was set up and created by Dr. Altimos. So if I click laboratory materials, you will now see that we have our Hayden McNeil online, the various experiment information, and you have our lab Zoom meeting. So make sure that you are signed in with your TAMU Zoom account. We have a password to password protect this. So this is a nice location for that to have. Also, if you don't remember where this link is going to be, we have also put it in here where it says Lab Zoom link. So that's really important that you know and get familiar with all the links on the side of our menu. Each one of these has been designed specifically to give you the information and help identify where you can find all of this important stuff for us during this semester. Hopefully this has been incredibly helpful to you. We will talk about some of this material and get you signed up in our meeting time tomorrow from 2 to 3:15. If you have any questions or concerns about this material, feel free to email me. Have a great day.